Alrighty, beautiful trees out front, and ladies and gentlemen, we are at Sandbox VR. We made reservations online, booked it online. We're doing their brand new one. We'll give you info on that one in just a second. Sandbox VR. So cool. VR sets. We're getting checked in right now. Got your vests. So there's the zombies or the rebel moon. And then we have the guns over there. And while I'm editing this video, I do want to state that they do have many more game options, not just zombies or Rebel Moon. They have Squid Games, and you can go to their website, which I'll link below in the description box right below the video for their different games they do have. And I'm looking forward to new ones that they bring out. So good. So I was Sergeant Greg, and these, I'll explain it a little bit more when we get out of here. But this was our avatars and our characters. And Send It, we were Team Send It, and that is Rebel Moon, Sergeant Greg. So that is really, really awesome. Scoreboard right there. And then they give you like actual white guns we saw right there. Sergeant Greg, that was my avatar. This was really sweet. Okay, so this is us, and then that's what we're seeing. I'll download This Is Us in the room. Nice. So here's the guns here. You can choose double pistols right here, and they're white little pistols here, or you can choose, I think this is what we had here, and this is like the semi-automatic rifle. I didn't do any of this. I think this is like swords or sabers or something like that. And then I'll get some footage, but these are the little trackers that you put all around your ankles and your wrists to be able to do it. But again, double pistols right here, or the rifles are so good. So they do Squid Games, and they have partnerships with like Netflix, and I think also with Star Trek as well. For this next one, we are going to be doing the zombies, and again, the first one was Rebel Moon. All right, so we have our vest on right here. We're getting suited up for our next one, and then each hand has a left and a right. So you have these little things right here, and that's what has the sensors on it. And the first time we looked through the VR goggles, it literally, as you move your hands, it literally moves, and you turn into your avatar when you look down. And when you talk like this, your avatar actually talks. It tripped us out for the first time. So then on our feet, we have one as well on each side, left and right. And you see here my brother, our different color coats. And then the vest here, and then they'll put the headset on us here with earphones here, and then Scott and I can go ahead and communicate during the game here. So those are the headsets right there, and the vests up top right there.
Oh my gosh.
Contact! Hit him hard!
Get to the left.
There we go.
The exhaust vent! Dodge! Ambush!
Attack! Lay down suppressive fire!
Ah!
The nest! Don't hurt them!
Oh.
It's firing! Look out!
Whoa!
Yeah, buddy.
Whoa!
Fighting like a rebel! Ambush! They're everywhere!
Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Ah!
He came up here behind me.
Ah!
Oh, shoot.
Ah!
Left here, right, left. Luckily, they come slow.
Yeah.
Okay, we got the door behind us open now. After you're done, you get a dance. And this is us. This is Scott and I dancing right here. Yes. Colonel Chuck. And there's Sergeant Greg. Oh, so good. Alrighty, I'm putting this video together right now and I do want to show you this. This is what's really cool about Sandbox VR. So in my email, they literally just sent it over email. I can download the trailer for our channel. I can download the split screen right here. I can download the dance off of right here where it says Sergeant Greg right there. So awesome. And then I scroll down and then you can have all your statistics. It shows Dallas, Texas is where we were for Sandbox VR. It shows my score. It shows my accuracy. And then down here are the different locations. Really good to know. Cerritos, that wasn't too far away from where I lived in California. All these different locations. And this is a franchise, so you can actually buy into the franchise as well. The staff at the Dallas, Texas one were incredible, awesome people, super friendly and helpful. And the technology is getting pretty sweet. So if you are wondering, we played Rebel Moon and it was, say like under 30 minutes and it was $60 per person and it was the same price for the zombie one as well. And again, that's super smart. Again, you just download all these clips that I'm putting into this video right over here. You can download the vertical one, put that in on your social media for Reels, Shorts, Instagram, etc. Very, very smart on their behalf to do that. And we were already thinking about someone we know for their birthday, taking them to this is absolutely fantastic. Now, with a quick little summary, Rebel Moon, I like the gameplay better, but if you want to do a lot of shoot 'em up bang bang, the zombie one is definitely more interactive. I'm not the biggest zombie fan, if you know what I'm saying, but it was awesome nonetheless. Glad I played both. But if I just chose one, I think Rebel Moon was a really awesome experience. But again, glad I did both. But just prepare if you do love the zombies. It's a little bit scary with zombies and all sorts of stuff, but a lot of cool shoot 'em up bang bang. Overall, great experience at Sandbox VR. We will definitely be back again. Ladies and gentlemen, Sandbox VR, definitely highly, highly rated. Awesome, 10 out of 10. Definitely a sweet experience. If you can, do both Rebel Moon and the zombie one. Deadwood Phobia as well. But awesome staff. Gino, shout out to you. Thank you so much for having us and great experience. This is, again, Dallas, Texas, right around this beautiful area here. We will get you the address or just Google Sandbox VR. And you got some eatery places right next to it here as well.